Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. And in today's video, I want to talk about having a more productive morning. Life can be really tough sometimes. I struggle with anxiety, maybe you do too. Lots of people struggle with depression or other things that make it just really hard to get stuff done. And it is so important to me, especially after this last year, to be an advocate for mental health and taking care of yourself, and doing so in a way so you can still be in pursuit of what matters to you most in life. So these are my 4 favorite, really simple and budget-friendly ways to stay more productive in the morning.
Good morning.
I hear the sound of empty streets.
First is what I call the sunrise hour. I can't do this all the time, to be honest, but getting up an hour before my kids, that means before the sun is up, I'm already winning. I can greet the day with quietude, it feels less hectic, and then I can sit down and create a series of approachable goals. I start off on the right foot, and I'm ahead before the real work even begins.
Let's fade away. Build a secret place for you and me.
I don't know about you, but for me, getting up in the morning is so hard. But when I'm up early, it lets me focus on productive thoughts rather than the negative ones that creep in when I'm running behind. And I love diffusing essential oils. My friend actually got this for me. You can get one for less than 15 bucks. And a favorite combination of mine, especially for relaxation, is 2 drops of vetiver and 2 drops of bergamot essential oil. So whatever that looks like for you, to take time for yourself, do it. You deserve it. Giving myself extra energy is so important, and I love this cherry berry and kale mix. It goes on sale a lot at my grocery store, and I put them in individual Ziploc portion bags with a frozen banana. I stick this into my blender with about 1 cup of water, and sometimes I add a little bit of superfood powder to it, and this makes a delicious breakfast smoothie that's healthy and gives me lots of energy. Cheers! I save so much time and get a lot more done by going to the gym at home. Working out increases happiness, it increases energy levels, and I find when I work out when I'm fresh, before the day has worn on me, before the kids come down and all the excuses, that is when I do the best. And I use an online app called Yogaya. I save over $1,000 a year because you don't need a gym membership. It's basically like having a personal trainer at home.
Take a big breath in to find length. Now exhale, twist to your left. So now, Kathryn, the right elbow outside of your left knee.
Oh, I get it.
Press your palms into each other and turn your belly and chest left.
For the past 6 months, I have been doing yoga at least a couple times a week. I've gotten so much stronger. I've lost 10 pounds, and I feel like it just sets my morning off on the right foot.
Inhale, back to plank. Nice, Kathryn. Exhale, right knee to left elbow.
I love the live classes because the teachers will talk right to you. You can also do pre-recorded classes, and they're as short as 10 minutes. Yogaya is actually budget friendly, and you can come work out with me. They're offering a free 2-week trial, and I'll be sure to put the link down below. I turn on my phone camera and only the teacher can see me, but that way I know I'm actually doing it right. By this point, the kids are awake and come downstairs and they are hungry, but I am not gonna cook anything because I did an overnight casserole. Don't just use your crock pot for dinner, use it for breakfast. This recipe is so easy. It's just eggs, milk, and a little bit of garlic powder, and things that are super inexpensive to find at your grocery store. In your crock pot, put a layer of hash browns down, and then add a layer of cheese and onions. Put another layer of hash browns, more cheese and onions, pour your egg mixture over top, and you're gonna cook this overnight on low for 8 hours, and in the morning, your kitchen smells divine and breakfast is all ready. No work involved. These 4 tips are true life changers for us. They're simple things you can do to make yourself feel more productive, and it really puts yourself at ease knowing you can walk into your day with mental clarity and a little bit of serenity to get more done. We can't win all the battles, but at least we can win some of them. Hi! We still got a lot of laundry. I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. And if you want to try Yogaya free, I'll have a link in the description down below along with everything I mentioned in this video. I hope it helps somebody, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.
My morning was pretty good, and this baby, he's just throwing everything. Can you say hi? Hi.